chocolate. You don't like that one? How about this one? This is ooey gooey caramel. Smell? Can you smell it? You don't like that one? Okay, how about peppermint patty? Okay, do you want orange slices? Can I smell this one? Here, smell. Lexi. Okay. Apparently she doesn't like the new pink paper scents.